English 1%. Topic: Saving money.
Todd, are you good at saving money?
No, I'm terrible. I waste money. I waste so much money.
How?
Well, I don't buy things on sale. I don't use coupons. I buy anything I see. So when I shop, I don't look at prices. I just see the food or the thing and I get it and I buy it and I pay for it, and then it's sometimes very expensive. So I just waste money. I don't budget. I need to budget my money, but I don't budget my money. What about you? Are you good at saving money?
I don't think I'm too bad at saving money. I look at prices a lot. I also buy a lot of things on sale, so I'm able to save some money.
So you look for discounts.
Yes, I do.
Do you use coupons or special offers?
No, I don't. But if I see some, I will use them.
So do you waste money on anything? Like maybe eating out, buying clothes, renting movies?
I waste money on buying clothes.
Oh, okay.
But I save a little bit because I buy them on sale.
Do you buy things online?
No, I don't. I usually go into the stores to shop.
I'm good with clothes too. So I don't spend much money on clothes. I only shop maybe once a year, or I only shop if I need something, like it's really cold and I need a jacket.
I see.
And I'm really bad, so I often only wear clothes people give to me.
That's good.
Yeah, so I get shirts or ties for Christmas gifts or a birthday gift, and I do that. My mom often asks, every year my mom asks, what do you want for Christmas? What do you want for your birthday? And I'll say, underwear and socks, or socks and t-shirts. And so she buys them for me, and then I don't have to buy them.
Wow. Sounds like you're an easy person to give a present to.
Yes, for clothes. Yes, for clothes. But I waste money on computers and electronics, and those things are expensive. So I buy a new computer every year. I have 4 computers now in my house. I have 5 mobile phones.
Wow.
I have an iPad. I have lots of electronic equipment. So I spend so much money on those things.
I waste money on traveling.
Yeah.
Every year I take about 1 or 2 trips to different countries. So that's where a lot of my money go.
Yeah, traveling is expensive.
Yes.
But when you travel, do you save money? Do you stay at cheap hotels, or do you buy cheap plane tickets?
I try to all the time. But usually the plane ticket is so expensive that a lot of my savings is already gone.
Yeah, I know. I buy my tickets online, usually with Expedia, and it's cheap. It's pretty cheap. I waste money on food. I eat out almost every day, or I buy my dinner at the supermarket almost every day. Do you waste money on food?
No, I don't. I usually get bored if I eat out too much, because even though I am not a very good cook, there are some things that I cook that I like to eat. So I would miss those things. So no, I don't waste money on eating out.
That's interesting. So you save money. I waste money. You have to teach me your tricks. You have to teach me your tips on saving money.
Please teach me how to get cheap travel tickets.
It's a deal.
Thanks.